Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract the right opportunities, the right people, and the success they desire, while others struggle despite their best efforts? What if I told you there's a top secret key that could unlock your ability to manifest anything you desire without forcing, struggling, or working tirelessly? It's a simple yet powerful principle that many of the world's most successful and fulfilled individuals use, but few know about. This secret is not about working harder or wishing on a star. It's about aligning your energy, thoughts, and actions in a way that makes the universe work in your favor. Imagine doors opening effortlessly, perfect timing playing out, and opportunities appearing out of nowhere. Sounds like magic, right? The truth is, it's not magic. It's a well-known principle that you can harness to create the life you've always dreamed of. In this message, I'll share with you this life-changing secret that can shift everything in your life, allowing you to manifest your desires effortlessly. Get ready to discover how to tap into the energy that will bring your dreams to life, faster than you ever imagined. Stay tuned. Our mind is not just a passive observer of reality. It is a creative force that actively shapes the world around us. Every thought, emotion, and belief we hold carries a vibrational frequency that impacts how we perceive and interact with life. This concept challenges the traditional notion that we are at the mercy of external circumstances. Instead, we have the power to influence our reality through conscious thought and intention. Quantum physics has brought fascinating insights into the role of consciousness in shaping our material world. According to quantum theory, consciousness is not separate from the physical universe, but is intertwined with it. The observer effect in quantum physics shows that the mere act of observing an event can influence its outcome. This means that our awareness and perception are not passive. They can actively alter the behavior of particles, and by extension, the fabric of our reality. The implications of this are profound. Our consciousness can directly impact the external world, making us co-creators of our reality. Understanding this, we can begin to harness the power of our minds to consciously shape our lives. One of the key ways to do this is by changing our internal frequency. Our thoughts and emotions are energy, and by tuning our thoughts to a higher frequency, such as love, gratitude, or abundance, we align ourselves with the vibrations of the universe that attract similar energy. This is often referred to as the law of attraction. By consciously choosing positive, empowering thoughts, we raise our frequency, which in turn affects the outcomes we experience. To begin changing your frequency, start by becoming aware of your thoughts. Practice mindfulness and consciously redirect negative or limiting beliefs to more positive, supportive ones. Engage in practices like meditation, visualization, and affirmations to align your energy with what you wish to attract. By changing your internal frequency, you are not just a passive observer of life, you are actively creating the reality you experience. The concept of the neuronal field, as explored by neuroscientists, is a fascinating idea that connects our mental and physical realities. The neuronal field refers to the network of neurons and their interconnectedness, which creates a vast, invisible field of energy that influences how we experience life. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are not just abstract concepts, but are energetic signals that travel through this field, shaping our interactions and experiences. Neuroscientists have found that our brain is not just a static organ processing information, but rather an intricate network that continuously interacts with the environment around us. The neuronal field is a dynamic, ever-evolving force that connects our minds with the world. It is through this field that our perceptions, intentions, and energy influence the physical world. In essence, the neuronal field is the medium through which our internal states are projected outward, creating the reality we experience. One of the most powerful aspects of the neuronal field is its connection to vibrational frequencies. Every thought, feeling, and action we take emits a frequency that is unique to us. These frequencies resonate with similar vibrations in the world, creating a ripple effect that influences the events and people we encounter. When we tune into the right frequency, one that is aligned with our desires, goals, and inner peace, We begin to unlock new opportunities and attract circumstances that seem to happen by chance. These are the moments we often refer to as synchronicities, where everything falls into place effortlessly. Tuning into the right frequency involves being mindful of our thoughts and emotions. By consciously focusing on positive, high vibrational states such as gratitude, love, and optimism, we align ourselves with the flow of the universe. This alignment not only helps us navigate through life with greater ease, but also brings about unexpected events that feel like the universe is conspiring in our favor. Understanding the neuronal field and how to tune our frequency can dramatically transform the way we experience life, opening doors to new opportunities and creating a deeper sense of connection with the world around us. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the noise and external distractions that often dilute our focus and energy. One powerful but often overlooked practice is keeping your actions and intentions private. By doing so, you protect your energy from outside interference, ensuring that your creative force remains undisturbed. This concept of energy protection is crucial for anyone who wants to manifest their dreams and create meaningful change in their life. When we share our goals with others before they've had a chance to materialize, we open ourselves to external opinions and judgments. This can lead to doubts, second-guessing, or even ridicule, which weakens our resolve and distracts us from our path. The energy we put into discussing our plans can be better spent on taking action and cultivating the inner strength needed to bring our vision to life. Keeping your intentions to yourself allows you to retain your energy and focus solely on what you want to achieve, without the noise of others clouding your thoughts. Silence is a powerful tool for manifestation. When you work on your goals silently, you avoid the distractions and interruptions that often accompany sharing your plans with others. Your energy remains pure, concentrated, and undiluted, which is essential for the manifestation process. Every time you share your goals prematurely, you risk dispersing your energy, making it more difficult to concentrate and act with the necessary focus to see your dreams come true. By silently working on your intentions, you create a strong, protected energy field around your aspirations. This subtle yet powerful approach allows you to build momentum and move forward with confidence. Silence is not about hiding your desires or being secretive. It's about protecting your inner space so you can fully channel your energy into what truly matters. Whether you're starting a new project, cultivating a new habit, or pursuing a personal goal, working in silence ensures that your intentions remain undisturbed, maximizing the potential for success and manifestation. One of the most common pitfalls we encounter when pursuing our dreams is sharing our goals too early. While it may seem natural to want validation and support from others, doing so can often have unintended consequences that derail our progress. Sharing your ideas prematurely exposes them to external opinions and judgments, which can significantly impact your energy and focus. The dangers of sharing too soon lie in the potential interference from others, especially when those around you may not share your vision or fully understand your path. When we speak about our plans too early, we open ourselves up to criticism, doubt, and skepticism. These external influences can dilute our excitement and belief in our ideas. People may offer unsolicited advice, often based on their own fears or experiences, rather than offering constructive feedback. As a result, we may begin to question our own abilities, lose confidence, and feel overwhelmed by the negativity surrounding our intentions. In some cases, sharing too soon can lead to outright discouragement, which is why it is crucial to protect your ideas and energy from unnecessary external interference. The psychological and energetic consequences of revealing your plans before they are fully formed can be profound. When we expose our goals to others, especially those who are not aligned with our energy, we allow their doubts and negative energy to seep into our consciousness. This creates a ripple effect that weakens our resolve and causes self-doubt to creep in. Instead of feeling motivated and focused, we may begin to second-guess ourselves and lose momentum. Our energy becomes divided, and the drive to take action diminishes. To protect yourself from unwanted interference, it is vital to keep your goals to yourself during the early stages. Focus on nurturing your intentions in private, allowing them to grow and develop without external influences. Trust your inner guidance and only share your progress with people who genuinely support your vision and encourage you to stay true to your path. By doing so, you can preserve your energy, maintain clarity, and increase your chances of success. In our pursuit of success, one of the most subtle but powerful forces at play is dopamine, a neurotransmitter that plays a key role in how we experience pleasure, motivation, and reward. Dopamine is often released when we talk about our goals or share our achievements with others. On the surface, this might seem like a positive outcome. After all, who doesn't enjoy the feeling of being acknowledged and validated? However, what many don't realize is that this dopamine release can create a false sense of accomplishment, ultimately reducing our drive to take actual, productive action. When we discuss our plans or successes with others, our brain releases dopamine, giving us the pleasurable sensation that we've already achieved something significant. This can lead to a phenomenon where we feel as though we've done the work simply by talking about it. Unfortunately, this false sense of accomplishment can make us less motivated to follow through with the actual tasks required to make our goals a reality. Instead of taking the necessary steps towards success, we might find ourselves satisfied with the attention or praise we receive from sharing our plans, only to realize later that we've made little progress. Breaking the dopamine trap is essential to staying focused and ensuring we take the right actions. One of the key techniques to avoid falling into this cycle is to practice mindfulness around our intentions and actions. Recognize when you're about to share your goals with others and ask yourself if you're doing it for external validation or for genuine progress. Instead of seeking immediate praise or feedback, focus on the internal rewards that come from the process of working toward your goals. Additionally, creating a clear, actionable plan and setting small, achievable milestones can help maintain focus. Celebrate the real victories, the ones that come from taking action and making tangible progress, rather than relying on external validation. By staying committed to the work itself and avoiding the dopamine-induced high of talking about your goals, you can ensure that your energy stays aligned with the outcome you truly desire. This will ultimately lead to greater fulfillment and long-term success. The subconscious mind is one of the most powerful, yet often overlooked forces in shaping our reality. While we may be consciously aware of our thoughts and decisions, much of our behavior, emotional responses, and life choices are guided by the subconscious mind. It functions as a vast storehouse of memories, beliefs, and past experiences, many of which we are unaware of, but which profoundly influence how we perceive the world and how we react to it. This hidden power is responsible for the habits we form, the emotions we feel, and even the decisions we make without realizing why. Our subconscious mind works in the background, shaping our reality based on the beliefs and patterns it has accumulated over time. If these beliefs are rooted in fear, scarcity, or self-doubt, they can manifest as obstacles in our lives, preventing us from achieving success. For instance, if you subconsciously believe that you are not worthy of success, you may unknowingly sabotage your efforts, even when you're trying to move forward. The subconscious mind holds the key to unlocking your potential by either empowering or limiting your growth. To reprogram the subconscious mind and cultivate a mindset of abundance and success, it is essential to take intentional steps to change these deeply ingrained beliefs. Here is a step-by-step guide to reprogramming your subconscious. 1. Visualization. Take time each day to visualize your goals as already achieved. Picture yourself living the life you desire, feeling the emotions associated with that success. This practice helps align your subconscious with your conscious desires and begins to overwrite limiting beliefs. 2. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce empowering beliefs. Repeat statements such as, "I am worthy of success," or "opportunities flow easily to me," This repetition helps to replace negative self-talk and build confidence in your ability to achieve your goals. 3. Emotional alignment. Connect with the emotions that come with your desired outcomes. Feel the joy, gratitude, and excitement as if your success is already here. Emotions act as a powerful magnet, attracting the energy and experiences that align with them. By consistently practicing these techniques, you can begin to reprogram your subconscious mind. This process will gradually shift your mindset from one of limitation to one of abundance, allowing you to manifest the success and fulfillment you deserve. The state of flow is a powerful and transformative experience where we feel fully immersed, present, and aligned with the task at hand. It's a state of effortless engagement where our energy flows naturally and seamlessly, and time seems to disappear. When we are in the flow state, everything around us aligns in perfect harmony, creating synchronicities that bring the right people, opportunities, and circumstances into our lives. These coincidences seem orchestrated by the universe, and they often lead to the kind of success that feels almost too good to be true. Flow is more than just a state of mind. It's a state of being. It occurs when we are deeply connected to the present moment and not distracted by worries about the past or future. In this state, we trust that things are unfolding exactly as they should, and we allow ourselves to be carried by the natural rhythm of life. The beauty of being in the flow state is that opportunities often present themselves at the perfect time. This perfect timing and the arrival of just what you needed moments are manifestations of the universe aligning with your energy. It's as if the world is conspiring to support your desires, bringing people, circumstances, and events together in unexpected ways. To access this flow state and enhance manifestation, surrender and trust are crucial. Surrendering means letting go of the need to control every detail and trusting the process of life. Instead of constantly striving or forcing things to happen, we allow ourselves to be guided by the natural flow of energy. This does not mean sitting idly by, but acting with intention and allowing the universe to show us the next step. Non-resistance is key. When we release resistance to how things should unfold, we create space for the universe to work its magic. Trusting the process means believing that everything, even setbacks or delays, is happening for our highest good. By surrendering to the flow, we enhance our manifestation process, allowing our desires to come to us with greater ease and speed. Flow and trust are the natural catalysts for attracting what we truly want. Thank you so much for watching and unlocking the top secret to manifesting anything effortlessly. I hope this powerful insight has sparked something within you and shown you just how much potential you have to create the life you truly desire. Remember, it's all about aligning your energy, trusting the process, and staying open to the amazing possibilities the universe has in store for you. Now, I want to hear from you. What is the first thing you plan to manifest with this newfound knowledge? Drop a comment below with one thing you're going to focus on manifesting, and let's start this journey together. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content like this. Remember, the universe is always working with you. Just trust, believe, and watch the magic unfold. Keep manifesting, and I'll see you in the next video.